Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can make a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy S23. You have two options and the probably most common one is to press the volume down and the power on and off button at the same time. And then you saw it made a screenshot. You also have another option, as I said, and to enable this you need to go to your settings, go to advanced features and go to motion and gestures. And when you scroll down you have this palm swipe to capture. Swipe the edge of your hand across the screen to take a screenshot. So it's enabled right now because I actually enabled it already to try it out, but normally it's disabled and you just need to press on the button to enable it. And then we'll go back and I'll swipe my hand across the screen and it made a screenshot. We'll try that again and it made a screenshot again. So I don't think it's really useful when you have your phone in your hands. It's probably easier just to use the power on and off and the volume down button. But if you have something on your fingers and you don't want to touch your screen or something, it's nice to have this other option to take a screenshot. And when you took your screenshot and you go to your gallery, you have all your screenshots here. I took a few already to try that out, and if you click on one you can go ahead and edit them. You can crop it, you can put a filter on, you can make some other things here, and you can draw on it and stuff. And when you want to save it you can say save right here and then save over the original, yes or no, and then you have your screenshot here. You can also, if you take a screenshot, just click on the screenshot right there, and then you can choose to open it with the gallery or the photos. I'm gonna go with the gallery, and then you can do the same here and just crop it right on it and do all the other stuff. So that's how you take a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy S23. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Bye.